Somewhere in this ocean lives a creature science says should have died 1,000 times by now. Welcome to the video. Follow for more interesting content like this. Meet Uma, smaller than your fingernail. Everyone calls her a fish. She's not. Uma is a jellyfish, and she's about to break biology's rules.
She drifts into a coral reef, beautiful, but crawling with predators 300 times her size. A predator strikes in a flash. Part of her body is simply torn away, gone. Injured and fading, she sinks toward the ocean floor. This is where most jellyfish would simply die. But instead of dying, something impossible happens. Her cells begin folding backward, literally reversing time. She reverts to a baby polyp stage, the same form she had before she was ever born. This is Uma now, technically a newborn, technically also the exact same jellyfish. Biology has no rulebook. Weeks later, she buds off and drifts free again. Same creature, brand new body, zero memory lost. But immortality isn't easy. A wave of ocean pathogens drifts through the current, and Uma is exposed. Scavengers start circling, sensing an easy meal. Her tissue breaks down, even her strange trick, and Uma is at the end. At the last possible second, her cells trigger the reversal again. Barely, but it works. She survives, again. But scientists studying her notice something. Each reset seems to cost her something. On the surface, marine biologists have been watching creatures like Uma for over a decade now. In labs, researchers have watched this species reverse its aging over and over, dozens of times. Back in the wild, food is scarce. Without nutrients, even an immortal cell can starve to death. Days pass with nothing to eat. Her glow nearly vanishes completely. This might finally be the end. Then, pure luck strikes. A current sweeps in fresh plankton, arriving just in time to save her. She feeds, recovers, and grows strong again. Immortality doesn't mean invincible, it means another shot. Over the years, Uma repeats this cycle again and again. Dying, resetting, growing, dying, resetting. In theory, if she avoids predators and disease, Uma could keep doing this forever. Actually, forever. But tonight, something bigger than anything she's faced before is drifting closer through the dark. The attack is brutal. Her body is torn into scattered pieces. Scattered and broken, this looks like the one thing even immortality can't undo. Total separation. Then, impossibly, the fragments start glowing, and slowly, piece by piece, pull themselves back together. This exact trick is why scientists are studying Uma's species, for clues about slowing human aging. Human cells share some of the same genetic pathways. That's not science fiction, that's real research. But immortality has one loophole. Getting eaten completely leaves nothing left to reverse. Death is still possible. Tonight, though, she drifts right past danger, untouched, unharmed, endlessly capable of starting over again. And she's not alone. Countless others just like her drift through oceans worldwide, quietly rewriting the rules. So no, she's technically not a fish, but calling her immortal? Turns out, that part is true. In a world where everything eventually ends, one tiny creature quietly refuses to follow that rule. See you in another video.